So guys, in today's video, I'm telling you about a very nice video, because in today's video, I'm telling you about the method in Python DSA. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Python DSA video, I'm telling you about the method. So let's know about that and let's learn what are the method with Python DSA and let's know about that. But you are saying I'm telling you about that again and again. Why? Because when first of all in the previous video I told you about the method. So that's why in today's video, in the previous video I told you about the problem. So in today's video I told you about the method, and in the next video I told you about the solution and that all thing. Okay. So but let's start the method. So let's start. Now here's the one systematic strategy we apply for solving problem. Where is the systematic strategy? There are systematic strategy I have been showing you like that. This is systematic strategy. Here you can see it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 systematic strategy for solving the problems. So let's start that, and now let's learn about first one. Okay. In the first one, he say, please, first of all, what I can do, he say, state the problem clearly. First of all, you state the problem clearly, what is the problem in it and what is that and what is that. First of all, you state the problem clearly. Okay, like let me give you one problem. Like this one problem, like I define one variable. I define it correct. Python will give me output of that or not it. Now I say here I define one variable. I define it correct. I define one variable. I define it correct. Python and will I define it correct, but Python will give me output on okay. Here I will define a variable. Python will give me output of that or not. Like I define one variable like banana. I make one list like that. So the Python will give me the output. This is one variable. Or Python will give me the output. First of all, you state the problem. What is the problem? Let me state. Okay, I state the problem. Now he say identify the input and output formats. Then I identify the input and output format. Let me identify. Okay, I understand what is the output of that. You can write here print A. So then it will give you the output. Why it give you the output? Now it give you the output. Why? Because print function is often used to give the output of your variable, and in the print function I write like equals to, then I write like this, and then in that I write like A. So then it give me the banana, and then it give me the output of the banana. Here you can see it. This is one systematic strategy you will be apply for solving the problem. This one strategy I have told you. So now let's come on to the second. Come up with some examples, input and output. Try to cover all ages. This means like this one example I have give you. So come up with like this type of example. Come up with some examples of input and output formats. Then solve this problem. Okay. So this number 2 systematic strategy has been also I have told you. Now number 3. Number 3 is come up with the correct solution from the problem. State it in the plain English. Like this number 3 means you first of all come up with the correct solution, then state it in the plain English, only in the plain English. Okay. Number 4 is implement the solution and test it using example inputs, fix bugs if any. Like if you do not know how to solve this problem, so fix the bugs. Then when you fix the bugs and fix the examples, then you will be understand this inputs and outputs. Now Number 5 is analyze the algorithm's complexity and identify the efficiencies if any. Okay. Number 6 is apply the right technique to overcome the efficiency. Repeat steps 3 to 6. Okay, these 6 strategies I have told you very easily as and you must know these 6, only 6 strategy, scientific strategy. Okay, so here you can see it. This approach is explained in detail lesson 1 of the course. Let's apply this approach step by step. Okay, so here you can see it. I told you about this 6, I told you about this 6 systematic strategy. You must know these 6 systematic strategy if you are solving the problems. Okay, so you must know that. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about the method in the Python DSA. Okay, so now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.